All right, YouTube, we back with another video, man. If you did click on this video, I appreciate you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your boy, the one and only Fast Lane G. We got the big SVR behind me, as you can see. Y'all been running up my last videos. I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers. I do want to do a huge giveaway for y'all, man. I don't really know what I'm gonna do quite yet. Y'all drop down in the comments below some suggestions. I might do an Amazon gift card or something like that for y'all boys. And I'm probably gonna do 3 winners, bro. It's gonna be a first, second, and third winner because y'all boys been showing major love to the campaign. But yeah, y'all been rocking with me. Today, I am gonna do a video of the SVR. I'm gonna run to the car wash, bro, because this thing is filthy, as you can see. The red Brembos barely even red. I don't even know if these Brembos, bro. I always call them Brembos because that's what I'm used to. They probably not Brembos because Brembos do like to show off their brand if they are Brembos. But all I know, they use some crazy big calipers. But yeah, y'all can see where I've been shutting the door, how dirty it is, bro. I mean, look at the SVR though, bro. I mean, on the passenger side, not that many people ride with me, so it ain't that dirty. But let me step over here to the driver's side and show y'all boys how filthy the SVR is, bro. Man, went out to eat. Valet got in the car. And look at all that. I don't know if that's paint, mud, what it is, bro. But yeah, if y'all know any detailers out here in Nashville, man, that can get my whip right, drop down in the comments below. And I would be much appreciated to have y'all boys become my full-time detailer. But yeah, let's jump into the video, bro. I'm gonna stop and get gas, and then I'm gonna mount y'all boys to my head. And yeah, we're gonna do a quick POV on the way to the car wash, bro. Catch y'all in the V. All right, y'all boys. So I just made it to the gas station. Let's fill up the big machine. Man, this SVR looks so good when it's all cleaned up. Of course, it's dirty. It is a cold one today. It's about 30 degrees where I'm at right now. Yeah. $4 for 93. All right, bet. Let me show y'all boys the big machine. As y'all can see, we got the big machine right here. She do look good, as you can see. Once again, if y'all know any detailers, bro, comment down below or tag their Instagram or something like that, because I would love to get this washed at least once a week or once every 2 weeks if y'all giving me the right package and things like that. And if y'all do good work, bro, I definitely deliver and take care of y'all boys. Let's see what we at. Boy, we at $60. Jeez. Do a quick POV to the car wash, bro. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. It will be greatly appreciated. We're gonna put that thing in sport, let it prime up, do its thing or whatever it is like that before we pull off. Yeah, if y'all can get this video to 100 likes though, bro, it will be greatly appreciated. Y'all already been showing love to the campaign, and let's keep on running it strong, bro. And yeah, let's go. Let me adjust my seat for y'all boys. Your boy be big chilling in the SVR. I hope all y'all having an amazing 2026, bro. A lot of good things gonna happen in 2026 for all of y'all, bro. Y'all just gotta stay consistent, believe in yourself, work hard, and yeah, keep doing y'all thing, bro. The shifts in this SVR is like insane, bro. Like it kick you in your back whenever you shift. Like I'm talking about upshift, not downshift, upshift. And then whenever you do downshift, you got the crackles and pops straight from factory, bro. I say this every video, but There is no other SUV like a SVR. I know it isn't as fast as a Jeep Trackhawk or whatever it is like that. And I know I'm always comparing the two because that's literally the flagship of SUVs on YouTube right now. But I'm trying to bring y'all boys over to the SVR campaign, man. Less money and you still can have fun with it. I mean, you can tune it. Reliability has been okay for me. Right now we got a little bit of traffic. Once this traffic clear up, I'll make some things happen for y'all boys. Knew they was gonna do that. If you still here watching, make sure you like the video, bro, and give me the 10K subscribers. It would be much appreciated. She looked at oh my. We indeed did make it to the car wash. As you can see, we got another black Rover. It ain't the SVR, but he doing his thing for sure. Oh, let me pull out. So they do pretty good car washes here, bro. Let's see. I actually got a free pass. Let me see if I can find it. Okay. Alright, y'all boys. So what they do with this car wash is pretty much vacuum out your car for you, and they run it through this machine right here. Y'all gonna see the big SVR getting washed though. So I can see they got it over there. I personally told them to just vacuum out the front because don't nobody really sit in my back seats. So we're gonna pop back on this camera whenever they do clean the SVR. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product, bro. There we go. Good. All right, YouTube. So as you can see, the SVR is indeed clean. This wash cost me $40. Man, drop down in the comments below if y'all know any good detailers in the Nashville area, bro. There are a few imperfections. I paid like $40 for the wash. Like down here, it's still dirty a little bit. You see that? Which I don't mind, you feel me? It's a car wash. I mean, it ain't like somebody actually hand washed it or anything like that, but it was like little white stains right here. I had to see, as you can see, it's still a little white. I don't know what that is. Some valet guys got in, valeted my whip, and left some white spots. But yeah, drop down in the comments below, bro. I'm seriously looking for a detailer. Man, tell me what y'all think about the car wash, bro. I'm finna hop out and show y'all boys. They did okay. I did pay $40 for this detail, bro. So I feel like they could have did better. Well, it actually wasn't a detail, it was just a normal car wash. But I feel like they could have did better. If you did make it this far in this video, bro, make sure you like the video and give me the 10,000 subscribers. That way I can do a huge giveaway for y'all boys that been showing appreciation and love to the channel and they've been running it up. But it do look hell of a lot better than it did prior to this video. But yeah, blacked out tint, SVR, as you can see, bro, carbon busting. But yeah, man, it is indeed cold out here. I'm gonna hop in the V. Man, I appreciate all y'all boys that been liking and subbing. I truly couldn't be more grateful for the audience that I have right now, bro. And y'all just keep showing love, man, and I'm gonna keep on delivering this content. Of course, I work day to day, so I try and get content out when I can. It also is cold, but there is no excuse to this shit. I can always drop a video for y'all boys. But yeah, y'all just stay tuned for what I got coming. I'm gonna do a huge giveaway for y'all, man. So y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, y'all just stay tuned. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna give back to y'all boys that been showing love, bro. But yeah, I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man.